Hi, my name is Dakota Travis. I'm with A1 Affordable Garage Door Services, and I'm going to show you how easily and quick you can break into a garage door. Five or 6 seconds, that's all you need. We've got all this furniture. We've got a purse here, got a wallet in there, keys still inside. We have a stereo system right here, a couple pieces of wood. And now let's check and see if the door is going to be open to the inside. And it is. So now I can go in there, take a laptop, take any appliances or electronics that I need.
This is our new product, the Garage Door Defender. There's actually 4 little pieces here. These right here will go into here. We'll take this shield oops, had that upside down. Tighten that screw. And that's how you install the Garage Door Defender.
So with this Garage Door Defender installed, there's no way we can go ahead and get at the emergency release cord to pull it and open the door. So we're just going to move to the next house.
It takes less than 10 seconds to break into your garage. Once they open that garage door, normally the back door is unlocked and they walk in and they take whatever they want to. So this Garage Door Defender will prevent that. We have them at our showroom in Plano at 3303 North Central Expressway, Suite 200 in Plano, Texas. Or you can go to our website at www.repairgaragedoors.com.